So guys, in my previous video, I told you how to get the website information from a valid HTML and how to change the HTTP response to render, etc. We used templates and Django template language. So that was Django tutorial 02. If you haven't watched that video yet, I have given the link in the I button as well as in the description. Please go fast and watch it. So guys, in this video, we are going to add bootstrap framework in our project. Now, you will be wondering that what is that bootstrap now? So let me tell you. Bootstrap is a free and open source CSS framework directed at responsive mobile first front-end web development. It contains CSS and JavaScript based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, navigation, components, etc. 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 Oh, that was a very quick definition of Bootstrap. Let me explain you what Bootstrap is actually. Bootstrap is a free and open source CSS framework. It is very much responsive. It helps us to build your website very much fast, and it has already responsive website templates. Okay, it is the world's most popular front-end open source toolkit. This is what Bootstrap is. Okay guys, I hope all of you are clear with what Bootstrap actually is. So today we are not only going to add Bootstrap in our project but also make the navbar of all the web pages and make the basic design of our home page, and then we will make the basic design of our contacts page. These are the 4 things which we will be doing in this video. So for that we need to go to our computer screen. So let's go to our computer screen and start coding. Before starting this video, let me tell you that I have created a playlist on Django tutorial. I have given the link in the description. Access it as fast as you can. So now let's start this video. So guys, now we are in our computer screen here, and you can see we have written this code in our previous video. We need to integrate Bootstrap. So just open your Chrome browser here and write getbootstrap.com, and you will be redirected to the Bootstrap's official page. And here this is the page, getbootstrap.com, and go to documentation, and you can just scroll below and you can see something, starter template. Just copy this whole code and paste it in the place of this. Okay, we got a nice code already written for us, and now just write here Addy's technical aid / and this is our home page. Okay, now we are fine. Let me quickly run the server. Terminal, new terminal. It will be loaded in just a few seconds. It is loaded, so I need to just type here python manage.py run server and then hit on enter. It will run your server in just a few seconds. So guys, it has run the server, and just hover your mouse on it and you will see a follow link, something like this, or you can just press your control key and click it here and it will be opened. You can see here. So guys, let's check our code. Actually I have written /title. It will be less than and then /title. Okay, that's why our web page is not coming. Just make the following changes and your web page will be appearing. So guys, this is a very much cool font and our website is finally appearing. So we have integrated Bootstrap in our project. Now we want first thing is our navbar, and we want to remove this. So go to your Bootstrap and then components and then scroll down and you will see something called navbar. Okay, this looks nice. Let me just copy it, and in place of this hello world I'm pasting it here. Okay, I will get my nice navbar here. You can see I got a nice navbar. Let me change the here this text navbar, this one, to navbar. Where is it? Here it is. So Addy's technical aid. This is the name of your website. Okay, now just check it. You can see here Addy's technical aid. So I have a home, I have a link here, I have a drop down, and I have a disabled button. Okay, I want many like this home link. I don't want the drop down or disabled for now. So let me just copy this link here. I will later on change it to about, and carefully let me remove this. Just paste it twice and then change it to about, or now here change it to contact here, and now change it to projects. So now here if someone clicks on home, he will be redirected to the same page. If someone clicks on Addy's technical aid, he will be on the same page only, and if someone clicks on projects, he will be redirected to projects. Okay, now here if someone clicks to about, he will be redirected to about. If someone clicks on contact, he will be redirected to contact. So this is a thing. And now reload this page. You can see home, projects, about, contact. Projects, this is my projects page. And now here about, this is my about page, and here contact, this is my contact page. Okay, now just go to your project. We don't want a light theme like this. We want a dark theme. A dark theme would look nice here. Okay, just make it dark here. Navbar dark and BG dark here. Okay, and you will get your nice dark navbar. It is looking very much nice. Okay, now let's we want a slider next. One image will be, 3 images will be displayed, and we can slide over them. In the world of Bootstrap, it is actually called carousel. So you need to go to carousel and choose any one of them. So let me choose this one. So if you want text here, so you can choose this one. I'm just copying this code, and let me just minimize this. Your code is gone nowhere. It is here only. Okay, I'm just minimizing it, and okay, before that, let me make a div container fluid. You will get div class container fluid here, and then paste it. Okay, now it will look nice, I guess. Oh, it is not getting any images. You can see in the image source it is written 3 dots. Okay, I'm telling you a secret now. Just write here source.unsplash.com. This is the Unsplash API which I was talking about in the previous video. From here you can take free images. So let me choose one. I think this one would be better. Okay, now just in place of this, let me write this, and here write this, and here also write this. Okay, now let us go to and reload it. Just wait, you will get a nice image. Okay, we got a nice image here. All the images are same since we have added the search term same everywhere. Let me adjust the dimensions of the image first. Let it be 500, and this one also 500, and this one also 500, and I want something of code and technology. Okay, computer, let it be computer, and here programming, and here software, and then here Apple, then here something, anything, just let it be HTML or Django, something like that. Okay, Now just let me check it. Here it is looking very much nice. It is giving me the image of an apple. Let it be computer. Then I think it will be of Apple computer. Okay, just reload it. Yeah, now this is Apple computer. So it is looking very much nice, but we don't want this padding or margin what it is. Let's go to here, and then if it is padding, then the px or the padding in x direction is 0. Okay, in the word of bootstrap it is written like this. Just reload the page and your padding is gone. Now it's looking very much nice. Okay, now we will design this web page in our future videos. So guys, we have made the basic design of our home page now. Now let me check this projects. We want a navbar in about.html also and home.html also. Okay, so just for now, just okay, I need to copy the whole thing. Control C and here Control V. Where is that thing? I'm just deleting this since we don't want this in our projects page, and here you need to type projects so it will look nice here. Okay, now let's check it. Oh, it came. It's looking very much nice, but you can see home is active, but we are in a projects page. Why home is active? Let me tell you. Here you can see it is written here nav link active and area current page, this one home. Okay, just copy this line here, Control C and paste it here, and just remove this active from here and remove this area page what it is written. Okay, now change it to projects here, and this one will be slash, and okay, let it be projects. So it is, let us check it. You can see now projects is activated. So let us copy this code and paste it in our about.html. Let me make this about, and here let me make this same thing which I did in the previous HTML or projects.html. Just remove this line, this thing, actually not line. Now this one and link key. Okay, now let's go to our about. You can see this is projects. We didn't change the name here. This one will be about. Okay, and this one will be slash about. Now this will go to our about page. You can see now we are in our about page and about is activated. Let me copy this and let's go to our contact.html and paste this line, and here let me copy this line, Control C, and this one Control V here, and remove this area current page and this active one. So let me check for contact now. You can see about, because we haven't changed the name here, contact. Okay, and now this one will be contact. Okay, now this is fine. Let me check it. You can see here contact. So guys, we have made the navbar of all our web pages. Now let me check this home. It has a slider here. We will design it in our future videos. Now projects is empty, about is empty. Let's design the contact page first. So go to your forms and here overview. Just choose any one of the thing. Let us go to a form control. Let me copy this. This is looking nice. So just let me minimize this one and div dot let it be container container. Okay, now Control V, you will get a, I think, let me go to contact. Yeah, you got a form here. Now we want margin at the top or padding above. So let me write here margin. Margin will be margin in the y-axis. So M, Y, and here let it be 3. Okay. So we got a margin here, and now the thing we want is a submit button. So let us go here and components, locate buttons, and then success, secondary, primary. Yeah, many colors are there, many types of buttons are here. You can choose any one of them. Let me check which color would be fine. You can see we have a green button here, so green will be fine, I think so. Let us see. Okay, let me copy this line, and after this, after this, just paste it here, and here let us change it to submit. Okay, now we will get a nice button here. Just reload it, and you got a nice button. Let the S be capital so that it looks nice, and you can change it to name, email, feedback, anything. So guys, we have made the basic design of our contact page, and by making the basic design of our contact page, we have completed all the cool stuff in this video. Don't worry about this contacts page, because we will be designing this contacts page in our future videos, and we will make the form working. We will use this models.py. Here you can see models.py, this one. Okay, and migrations, etc. These things we will use in our future videos. I mean in the next videos only. Okay, so we are done with our task today, which was integrating bootstrap in our project. We will add further designs in our next video. So that's all for today. So guys, the part 4 video of this series is the one you are seeing on the left, and so click it to see that video. And if you are interested in automating Google Meet using Python, see the video in the right. So bye guys, meet you in the next video.